The number one antiviral remedy in the world is not garlic. It's not vitamin C, and it's not even echinacea. Those are good, but they're not the most powerful. This remedy can fight off influenza A and B, swine flu, herpes simplex, and even the common cold. It doesn't just bind to viruses and stop them, it can also regulate your immune system and even break down stubborn biofilms that viruses use to hide. So what's the number one antiviral remedy? It's elderberry, one of the most effective natural protectors your immune system can have. Comment strong if you want a list of the best natural virus fighters.